I'm Amy and I'm with RV Air, and today we're going to show you how to install the #1 RV selling filter in America. In just a few minutes, we'll talk about all the reasons why this filter is better than the standard stock filter you find in your RV AC unit. But first, we want to make sure that you understand our filter lineup so you get the right fit. As you can see, we offer a variety of filters to match some of the most popular RV AC units on the road today, including Coleman and Dometic. We also have a number of filters for intake vents that are commonly found in your fifth wheel or motorhome. You're going to want to match your grill to the one pictured on the package. But if you don't see a match, don't worry. We have a line of cut-to-fit filters, and we'll get to those in a minute. Now that we have all our filter bases covered, let's go ahead and start to install. It's really easy, I promise. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this 135G and we're going to install it in this Coleman mock unit. This filter fits this guy. But before we get started, we want to make a special note that you guys will want to make sure you turn off your RV AC unit. Let it get a little warm. You don't want the unit to be chilled when you're doing this, because you'll have to start pulling on a bunch of little tabs for your grill. And when you do, if those guys are cold, they're brittle and they like to break. And we all know you don't want to break this grill, because then you'll be hunting for a replacement of that. Plus, then you got to replace the filter. So make sure this unit's a little bit warm when you're doing this work. Now, each grill is going to vary in removal, but typically you're going to want to pull in or pull on the plastic tabs. In some cases, a tool like a putty knife can help you pop the grill out. In motor coaches, you may find your AC is hidden behind a roof feature that drops down to expose the vents. We recommend that you consult your manual if you have any issues locating, accessing, or removing the grill or vent. Now, to remove the grill, you're going to go ahead and start to pull on those tabs. Some people like to use a little putty knife to get into some of the crevices, but you're just going to go ahead and pull this unit out. Once you get the vent out, the grill, then you have to get the existing stock filter out. Sometimes the stock filters will look like a foam filter, or they may look like this dryer vent right here. You'll notice that these stock filters do not compare to an RV air filter in thickness and quality, any of that. This guy looks like a dryer vent. You might catch a mosquito with this. You'll find some look like stretched out pantyhose, or something that you might find in the end of a hair dryer vent. None of these guys are going to catch the particles that you can with an RV air filter. So now that we have this guy out, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just place our RV air filter on top of this vent. So we're going to simply want to lay our filter on top of the grill and line it all up. For our G filters, remember to place the green side up so that the tightly woven green layer is the last line of defense. For our C filters, it doesn't matter which side is up. You'll also note that our grills are die cut to match all the nooks and crannies of your grill. And if you're using one of our cut to fit filters, the AC300 or the AC1616, you can shape the filter to match your grill. For our cut-to-fit filters, just lay the grill on top of the filter and use a permanent marker to trace the outline. With a pair of scissors or X-Acto knife, you can give your filter all the necessary trims. These cut-to-fit filters are 16.5 inches long by 9 inches wide, so they're designed to fit most RV AC units. The only difference in our two cut-to-fit models is where you can find them. Our AC300s are available through Walmart, and the AC1616 can be found on rvair.com. Once you've aligned the filter, reinsert the grill in the AC unit. You'll note that some grills may not be flush upon initial installation, but our filters are designed to compress as the layers absorb materials. This won't cause any structural impact on the AC unit. That's it! You're going to be breathing easier for a whole year. Yep. These filters will last 365 days. Unless you are a full-time RVer, then we recommend that you change these out every 90 days of continuous use. And because we are all about easy installation, we've even created a auto renewal program. So you can sign up for a filter subscription, and we can send you filters every 3 or 6 months. And now that you've seen how easy it is to install this very essential RV maintenance item, it's time to hit the road and go ahead and get some more fresh air. Enjoy.